Hello. Today we are washing our dress, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna do a video showing how I do dress wash. She's showing y'all her nails.
We did our nails.
Yes, it's probably not time to eat.
This is a short length, and my hair, as you can see, is medium length. Some might think it's long, but. And I'm gonna wash both of our hairs today. 1 second. So the shampoo that I'm using today is this one. This is the first time I used it. Both our hairs are really dry right now, so I wanted something that was gonna moisturize our hair. So I give this a try. I'm gonna give this a try, and I didn't want to spend too much money, so this is $5.99. And it's texture my way, hydrant shea butter with olive oil, intense moisturizer softener shampoo. And that is the reason I got this one. This is my first time using it, so let's see if it works good. Let's see how it smells. How do you think it smells, Shasha? Good. Okay.
Next,
it smells good. And I don't really do too much conditioner because, like I said, our hair tends to be really dry.
We're gonna use that.
So I'm gonna use this after.
But I'm only gonna wash my hair.
We wash.
It's not what you think.
Okay. We got the towels ready. We got the hair ready. Let's do this. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Okay. So just wanted to touch bases. So we washed our hair, and that shampoo is the bomb.com. Like I said, I use Try My Texture. I think that's what the name was. And right after I washed my hair, my daughter's hair, you could feel the difference in the hair. After that, I used the castor oil, put it all over my hair, and I also have a castor Vaseline, put it all over my hair, plaited my hair, and did some I forgot what is these called, but you basically get your hair and flip it and tie it up in the end or whatever, and then that's it. Let me call my daughter Shahira. So that's what I did with my hair. Come here. And then with my daughter hair, after I washed her hair, I'm really not too good with her hair because she has short length. I caught myself retightening her hair. Then I braided a couple in the back, braided a couple in the front, and made like three little little things or whatever. Y'all can see it, and then did that or whatever. How did you feel after you washed your hair, Shasha? Good. Yes, her hair is smelling good. Oh, and the smell is so good. It smells so good, and it feels so good. So that is what we did on wash day. And then the reason I braided our hair is because in a week or so I want to take out our hair and let it be nice and curly.
And we did our nails.
Yes, she got her nails and feet done. I just got a pedicure right quick.
Yeah, because she said she needed soft.
Right. So that was our day, and that was shampoo day with us.